Today, we'll show you how to replace your thermostat in this Frigidaire dishwasher. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reason why you'd be replacing your thermostat is if the unit will not heat. Now, if you need to, make sure to uninstall your dishwasher and let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. We've went ahead and uninstalled the unit, laid on its back for video purposes. Obviously, you do not have to do this in order to replace a thermostat, but I do advise it as this screw and these tabs are a little difficult to take off. Now you can test this thermostat for continuity when you take these off and see if it has continuity through it. Next thing you want to check is the wiring. I happen to see a lot of these wires get burned up and can give you some issues. So if the wiring looks okay, the next thing you need to know is that this wiring, to remove it, they are locking tabs. You can't see it because they have this blue tape over it, but you actually have to pinch down directly in the center middle of it and push a tab down in order to remove the terminals. If it does not want to come off easily, do not pull it because it'll rip the terminal off the thermostat or it'll rip the terminal off of here. But on this spot, the locking tab is right there, right directly in the center, okay? It is where the folds are, and directly in the center there's a small pin right here that has to be pushed in to remove it. We'll do the same to the other one. Remove it. This thermostat only has one screw that's holding it on, so we'll go underneath here, take off the screw, but make sure you don't lose the plastic holder when you're removing it. We're actually able to just loosen it up, pull it off, and set the thermostat to the side. When installing your new thermostat, as you've seen before, we only loosen this, so we'll bring it in at an angle and just kind of start to pop it in place there. Get all set up, get the plastic set up. Next, we will tighten the screw to hold it in place. Make sure as you're tightening it that you are making sure that the plastic is going in the slotted area of the thermostat as well as on the slotted area on the side here. Next, we'll reinstall the terminals. One thing that I would recommend doing is if the terminals are not pointing up for the locking side, do it like that so that if you have to exchange it again later, it's easier to get to. Now you can reinstall your dishwasher and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.